introduction to some of the co-benefits measurements that will be of interest as part of the Living Lab. So you've seen this list before. 3 of the priorities for the Agricultural Climate Solutions program is to increase soil carbon, to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions, and also to hopefully help support environmental and economic co-benefits, some of which you'll hear about today. So these could include a whole suite of factors. Some of them might include increased biodiversity across the landscape, maybe improved water quality, soil health, or reduced costs. And I put up a very quick and dirty table that I took from our proposal, summarizing a few possible co-benefits of adopting certain management practices, and some of those that were particularly highlighted during the proposal stage by different participating commodity groups. And you can see that there's some common themes amongst them. And first of these is that, of course, producers need to make a living. And so if there's a possibility that adopting these practices would reduce their costs or at least improve profits, that's wonderful. And we'll hear a little bit more about that. Improved crop yield and quality is another big common theme. But on the bottom, you can see that one that keeps coming up an awful lot is improved soil health. So we decided to dig a little bit deeper into that for the Living Labs and for the rest of the talk today. So you're going to hear from Charlotte and Tom to help us learn a bit more.